Hello, people of the world. Picture muna. 1, 2. Hello, everyone. We're on our way to Singapore. Singapore. Singapura. Oh, Singapura. That was their former name, Singapura. So, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, ring the small bell so you get notified whenever I post a new video. And let's keep going with the vlog. We are, masyadong maliwanag. We are flying Philippine Airlines. Ano bang tagline ng Philippine Airlines? O basta yun, pal kami. The heart of the Filipino. Pangat ko pag walang shades. Anyway, dito kami sa Terminal 1. Sobrang nakaka-exhaust. It's kind of exhausting here at Terminal 1. Kasi you need to remove everything. Wow. Including your shoes, belt, your laptop, your watch. So that is all it for now. We are about to go to gate 6 and morning coffee, Americano, iced with brevet. We'll see you in a while. Delayed yung flight namin. So supposedly boarding namin ng 8:50. Time check, it's 9:30. O, diba? Bongga. Galing Incheon to, no, nak? O, basta, boarding na. Ayan. And see you inside the cabin. Wait lang daw. Hi. Boarded na kami, guys. We are on our way to Singapore. Singapura. Breakfast is served. Fish with rice. Ito yung drinks. Water. Juice. I look so... I look so weird. I look stupid. Kain mo na kami. Naka-mask pa rin ako. We are now here in Singapore. Tingin nyo, tanggalin ko yung mask ko, guys. Tanggalin ko saglit. Yan. We just passed through the security checks and we passed. Now, smile. 1, 2. Welcome to Singapore. Liverpool.
Okay. 150 meters away will be your gardens by the beach.
Ito, this one.
This is the one, yeah, correct.
Yeah.
Rest. Just now I was asking RITZ.
Ta-da! This is our room. Here's the wardrobe with the... Is this a fridge? Yes, it is a fridge. Our wardrobe, our mini toilet and bath. There.
Oh no!
2 towels, toilet paper, essentials, dental kit, shower cap, bar soap, vanity kit, comb.
Wow.
Shavers only. And this is me. Outfit of the day. Here is another mirror, bottled water, and our beds. There's an... Anong tawag dito, Nak?
Ayun. Oh, projector.
Projector. And this is the window. Let's check our view.
Oh!
Ta-da!
Dito na ako.
This is a low-rise hotel. Yan, Rest Bugis.
Wow! Ang galing nila dun.
And same with Hong Kong. You need a universal wall socket.
Ah!
Good thing I brought my... Oh, ayan.
Gusto ko ng ganito eh.
Yan ang aming TV projector. And it's a bit cold. Kaya ayusin muna natin yung ano. Oh, meron din dito. There's a safe and 2 pairs of slippers. And a hairdryer. And that's it. Tingnan natin yung mini fridge. Mini talaga siya, as in super mini. O, diba?
Mukha siya microwave.
Mukha siyang microwave. Yun lang. That's it. We'll just freshen up. And we'll see you in the restaurant that we're gonna eat in. And sa part 2 na siguro yan. So tired. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And we'll see you on the next episode. Bye! Kain muna kami. Tom Jones na.